Okay, so I've made like a little paper dish here because what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of this 400 grit sandpaper, which in my opinion isn't what I would prefer, but it's what I'm going to use. And I'm going to prep this fingerboard here because this has all been glued on and everything. This is all the old glue. And I'm going to keep any sawdust from this in this little tray here, so that if I do choose to use some for the hide glue, I can. And all we're doing is we're just kind of making sure that we get rid of any bumps and everything off of here, and just prepping it for when we do actually use it. Wow. That is... Oh, yeah, you rub it with your fingers, it goes right back to black. Okay. I was a little bit concerned. That way, now we have that for later. In case we actually want to use it. As you can see, it gets on your hands, and that is it. And we'll use that for later.